Hey guys, welcome back. Headed back to Okuibuki. So this time there's a few more layouts I'm going to try, just different car parks and different courses. We're also in another S14 this time. So this time with an SR20 VET and just the normal stuff, coilovers, adjustable arms and whatnot. But this one actually makes 447 wheel horsepower, 439 torque, 1250 newton meters. And this one has a nicer power band, also coming on the boost and getting up to max torque. So with that, let's jump in. So yeah, S14, back on the right side of the car for me this time. So this is car park 6. So we'll come in here with first, say, second. So I'm just kind of following the marks already on the ground. So just out wide through here. Oh, I'm going to smash into the wall there. Alright, let's try third for this open bit. Pulling out of RPM. Try and keep it off the wall this time. Just skip that switches hat. So yeah, it's just a small little like skid pan track. Nothing too outstanding about it. Don't know what direction it goes, so we'll try the other way as well. Not sure which way it really flows better. Probably this way, to be honest. This tight section's not after a big sweeper. But should we have to go third? No. Didn't like that this time. Not getting that tight section, but yeah. So yeah, just a nice little skid pan layout. Alright, with that, I'm going to jump over to another layout. Alright, so this is the Japan International Drift layout, I think it was called, for 2022. So you start up in the top car park, we've got to turn around. So I'll be honest, I don't actually know which direction this layout goes. So I was trying to work it out from the tyre marks. If you come down straight, I know you start at those witches' hats from what I can see. And you either keep it going up and around here, either, I don't know if you're meant to finish there or flick it back and then keep it going back out to where you started. That kind of feels like the correct direction. And it's a nice layout. So then the other option is, same entry. You either keep it going down here, and then bring it all the way back. Offline, but then all the way back through the start there. I think the first layout feels right with the tyre marks and everything. If someone knows, yeah, it'd be good to let me know. Yeah, so we'll try the first layout again, so second gear. So yeah, like I said, this just feels... Whoops, banging the limiter. This just feels better. I'll keep it off the rocks. I'll give the other layout one more go. I still like the idea of the ski resort and the converted tracks. Oh, sorry, like converting it during the off season. So yeah, just second again. Could probably do that corner in third instead of just second. I just want to do that first layout one more time as well. This one has a... Yeah, it's simple, but I do enjoy this little layout. Might try... Let's just give that a go. No. Well, I failed it using third. Nope, that's one more layout down. A couple more to go. Alright, so this time it's the ramp jump course. Can I get into it up here? Nope. So yeah, once again, I don't know. Oh, I'm down the bottom. I'm not where I thought it was. Don't know which direction you're meant to go with this. I'm trying to drift in first, getting what I'm doing. So like the whole point of this one is the ramp. Too much. But so I don't know if you're meant to go on the inside there or the outside. So that feels right there. Coming back down. I'm probably doing this the wrong way too. Once again, if you know this one as well, let us know. Oh, too far. Not going to be able to do it coming down the other way. So I hope those witches' hats aren't solid. Let's do one more loop of this. Let's just try it the other layout. if it feels any better. Nope, doesn't feel better because I hit the wall. Oh, I got one more layout to try out. And the last course is just the short toe gate, so really not much to this one. Started from the car park here, which I think, yeah, it was car park 9. So he's going the opposite direction of the other toe gate. Come down the bottom, and back up this way, and you bang into the wall there. But you actually go in the opposite direction, so I think that's where you kind of leave. And honestly, it's kind of just this corner. And then this other one, which tightens up. You got a bit of a corner here. You cross the bridge, and you think you got another corner here. And you drive off the edge of the map. Yeah, so that's the short toe gate. Like I said, not much to it, but so it's really kind of made up of this corner. And this one, which if you swing out too far, yeah, bang the wall. Probably try and drift this. And then shave off some speed for these two. So you can keep going for that section. And then come down the edge of the track. I might have a couple more goes. This is probably my least favorite. Try and get it out to the wall. Try and keep it off that wall. Do some fishtails. Slide under the sign. Cross the bridge again. See if you can stop it before sliding off the edge. Alright, we'll have one more go. Just warm up the tyres a bit. Try to keep it in tight. Not so close to the wall that time. Try and slide it on the sign. Around the corner. Try and keep it in tight. Yeah. See if we can get this again without going too far off the edge. So, pretty sure that's all the Okuibuki courses now. They're all, fairly different, and just the whole concept of using the ski resort as motorsport events, like I said, just thought it was a really fascinating idea, and just wanted to explore all the other layouts it had to offer. So with that, thanks for watching, guys.